In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install these nice CNC crash books on your DRZ 400. So first off, as you can see, I have the exhaust header off because I couldn't reach this bolt right here. So I don't know if you can see, couldn't reach this bolt right here. So I went ahead and took the exhaust header off. It only requires a 6mm Allen key wrench to take it off. But yeah, it should come off easily. I have the FMF power bomb, so I don't know if it's the same as the stock header on the DRZ 400, but it came off super easily. I only have to take those 6mm bolts off and have to unscrew this clamp. So I already went ahead and I already loosened all of the motor mounts, so they should just come off really easily. Alright, so we got the old motor mounts on. Look at these, just chrome heavy, you know, anything. And here's the light ones, really nice black. It's gonna be really great it's gonna add a good look. So I did it kind of, it was an easy process, but it's just easy just breaking them out with leverage and just the exhaust header, and they should just come right in. Alright, so we got the first side in, and let's get this second side in. It's an easy process. It just slips right in, but it's just kind of difficult doing it one-handed. One hand's holding the camera, and I don't have a tripod, so. But yeah, it's easy. Slips right in, and now let's put the bolts on. Alright, so we got this in. Now let's put the first bolt in. It's kind of a difficult process with the coolant hose in the way, but it should just be an easy slide in. Alright, we got one side in. Now let's get this one in. And now the bottom one I had trouble because it rounded off, but it's stuck in the socket. I don't know if you could see. And it's easier like this because it just screws in. Alright. And right here. And now I'm just going to tighten all of those nuts up. Alright, so I got the bolts on and they're tightened, and remember to use Loctite on them because they could vibrate and potentially cause them to back out, which is bad. So now let's just throw on the header, and still have to put those pucks in, so yeah, let's do it. Alright, so we're back, and now the exhaust header is on, so now we could proceed to put the slider on. So what's nice about this, it comes in sections, so this assembles, and this just goes through here into that little hole. I don't know if you can see it, and this holds it in. So I'll be back when both sides are installed. And also, this tool is really nice because it connects to a regular ratchet wrench. So, and this is 8mm Allen, and it's really good for jobs like these when you have to go more into there. So yeah, this is a really cool tool. Alright, so we have them installed, and they're actually looking really nice on the bike, and it also gives off really nice protection, so when I come down from a wheelie I won't damage any of the plastics or the radiator. It will only come onto this puck, and this puck's like $70, so it'd be nice and easy to replace, and it's quite simple to replace it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like for more videos.